everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hi guys. Hi everybody. Yes, so today we are all dressed up. It's our formal day. So today a special guest is arriving, that is Ullas Balakrishnan. He is the Deputy General Manager of Havells company, Havells India. So we are so excited, and especially me, I'm in the hospitality team, so I have the opportunity to treat well. So we are waiting for him to come. Sharat. The guest and we are waiting for him to come out of the director's room, and we are excited because he's going to give us a wonderful talk for sure. Our guest, our special guest is Ullas Balakrishnan. Yes, so he is the Deputy General Manager of Havells India Limited, and I'm damn sure that he is going to give us a very, very nice talk. Wait. Yo, shut, bro. Salvin, best buddies ever. Subin, your cousin brother alle. Yes, guys. Subin's cousin brother is Ullas Balakrishnan, sir. So, what do you want to say about him? Yes. Guys, he's a very hard-working person.
Yes. Very short time, very high level achieved. Role model.
Yes, guys. Ullas sir waiting, and he's having a meeting inside. Directors and other faculties are a meeting, and we as a hospitality team we are waiting for him to come. And the friends with pro. Salvin. Yes, Salvin.
Yes.
Oh, okay. Our moments, DJ moments uploaded. So I hope you guys have watched it. Moments of DC life, make sure that you go watch it. The link will be given below. For many people, coming to DC is actually a dream, because if it's a vibe, the climate especially, guys, it's really amazing, because we always feel that it is really fresh, especially from not like a nalla chudana, not in actually it's really refreshing. It's really good. Salvin, how is your experience? First time and second time, how is your experience?
My experience is recruiter college students atmosphere
it's an experience. DC is completely your experience. You will be able to experience a lot of things. That's a tough experience. But at the end of the day, guys, it will be a great job that we have done. Presentation wise, life, it's gonna really impact.
So first of all, thank you so much, sir, for coming here during your busy schedule. It was really informative, and your contribution was really immeasurable. And in the beginning, you said about the transformation from pupa to butterfly. As an example, you called the Tata Motors, and then we discussed about the 4 P's and 7 P's of marketing. And in the middle stage, it was also very motivating. He gave us many tips and also the various traits that we need to follow in an interview from the functional perspective as well as in a behavioral perspective. What are the traits that we need to follow? So it was really informative, sir, and it's my privilege to be part of this session. And also I thank to the management and all faculties here for giving us this opportunity for bringing such an eminent personality here. Thank you so much, sir, for your session.
Thank you so much.